Hello everyone, I'm YoungsunLee in CRAPE, and I am a researcher developing human organoid technologies. Today, I would like to share why I believe organoids can help address some of the most important healthcare challenges facing our society. As life expectancy continues to increase, aging-related disease and infectious disease are becoming major global concerns. Neurodegenerative disorders, chronic lung disease, and severe infections affect millions of people worldwide, particularly elderly individuals. However, understanding these diseases remains difficult because studying living human tissues is extremely challenging. While animal models have contributed greatly to biomedical research, they often cannot fully reproduce human biology. This is where organoids become important. Organoids are miniature human tissues generated from stem cells. Although they are only a few millimeters in size, they can reproduce many of the structural and functional characteristics of real human organs. When I first learned about organoid technology, I realized that it could provide a unique opportunity to study human disease directly in human-derived tissue. Motivated by growing impact of aging and infections on our society, I began developing multiple organ systems, including brain, lung, heart, vascular, and bone marrow organoids. Using these models, I studied how aging-related factors contributed to neurodegeneration in the brain, how immune cells communicate with lung tissues during infection, and why aging immune systems become more vulnerable to pathogens. I also developed technologies that enable the functional assessment of electrocorrective tissues, helping us better understanding how human tissues respond to physiological and pathological conditions. Through these studies, I have gained new insight into aging, immunity, and disease mechanisms across different organs. More importantly, these organoids platform provide powerful tools for drug screening and therapeutic development. By better reflecting human biology, they have the potential to improve the prediction of treatment responses and reduce the gap between laboratory discoveries and clinical applications. Looking ahead, I hope to build increasingly integrated human organoid system that can model interactions among multiple organs. Ultimately, my goal is to contribute to development of more effective therapies and help create a future where people can live longer, healthier lives. Thank you for your attention.